This charming doghouse was a labor of love, built by the family's handyman with the help of some friends. The structure is made of wood and features a triangular frame, which was carefully lifted and placed on a sturdy pallet base. To keep the pups safe and dry, they added a gable roof and enclosed one side with a sturdy fence. The finishing touch? A beautiful array of roof tiles. Inside the doghouse, you'll find a comfy cushion where the pup can relax and unwind. And outside, the fence provides a perfect spot for potted plants, adding a touch of color to the pup's new abode. It is evident that the family loves their puppy,